guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Easter set on Dress to Impress easily. So it is easier for me to find emojis in the dressing rooms because it's not that big and it's easier for me to spot. So some of the places where it could be is that it's in like on the window, it's like on the ceiling in Lana's salon. It could also be like somewhere here. It could also be here. It could also be on the ceiling like here. It could also be in the dressing rooms here. But it is just like way easier to find it in the dressing room. So once you have the emojis to that, the rest I just randomized. So I think my order was chocolate, chicken, and bunny, and then rainbow and egg. So I'm just going to, so I know the codes for chicken is 5, as you can see. And then rainbow, I got 1, as you can see up here. And then for chocolate, I got 2. So I'm just going to either put 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, because it could either be 3 and 4 or 4 and 3, because all the numbers are just like 1 up till 5. So let's just go to codes, and I'm just going to try 2, 5, 3, 1, 4 first. And oh my god, I got the set. Woohoo! And I didn't even have to find all the emojis. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.